I'm Sanjeev Singh, area manager from Gujarat at home, and my
I am
colleague.
Vishwanath Pujari, based in Mumbai, area manager for at home.
And we are here since yesterday and has enjoyed and had a lot of fun learning many things. And today is our last day here, but the activity which we are doing since morning, which is called Prahar, is a very great king of all activities, and it has actually strengthened our strengths and really removed our weaknesses. And it has opened all the closed tissues of our body actually, and has given so strength. Then we feel now very powerful. So we are very thankful.
What do you say, Vishwanath?
Yeah, it is today's activities is more fun. It is energetic, and we are removed all like our energy. We are energetic now.
Yes,
and
we are feeling winners like actually.
Okay. Now you've come here earlier?
Yes.
Yeah, we have come twice earlier.
Yeah.
You also come earlier?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you feel about coming again? Because some people feel that you go second time, what is the fun? We have already done this. Did every time you find something different here?
Yes,
Yeah, this time
we find something different every time. And really the activities are so planned, looking at the number of times or the classification of the people from where they belong to. Or how many times they have already come here, looking at that.
So you saw we tailor-made these activities. You
Yes,
saw
it is
yesterday's activity was designed for at home.
It was designed based upon the input given by us in the early hours.
As per our requirements.
And as per our requirements, we were continuously telling that A, B, C, D is missing in us, A, B, C, D is missing in each of these activities, and you had designed one such plan today, which covers the entire gamut
Entire gamut
that is
of-
required for us.
The king of all activity
King of all
actually
activities,
today.
actually.
So you think it will help you when you go back?
Absolutely,
Sure,
absolutely.
It has helped.
And did it help you earlier? Your first two programs you came here,
Yes,
you went back, did it help you?
Definitely helped.
Did.
Definitely helped. And what we did, the king of all activity, which is called Prahar, even if we did 25% of this continue in our life, that is sufficient for a happy life and
Oh,
healthy life.
very good, very
actually.
good. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, here is the rest of the party. Okay, anyone else wants to add something to what was being said?
What was the question?
How are you liking the program and what's the experience like?
It's fantastic. I think we ended with a beautiful program which is probably designed for all. But
Yeah,
it
and we
was
are talking to
actually
the head of the operations in at home, Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas Johan is the AVP and he's the heads the operations in at home. That's right?
That's true, Brigadier.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
So
think
just
although it is designed for all corporates, it absolutely suited to our format. I think
no, we designed
the entire
we
team-
tweaked this for you for at home.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Wonderful. So it is apt. The program is apt, and I think all the boys enjoyed. Along with that, they understood what exactly. I think they take the crux of the learnings here and apply on our daily routine.
The best part is that you are here for the third time, and many of your people are here for the third time, some for the second time. So, how do you feel coming back to the same place and doing activities? Do you find that we stepped up every time?
Very much, very much. Every time we came here, we had new learnings. Every time we came here, we had new programs new projects to attend to. I think all these applications would be applied on a day-to-day format of ours as well.
Okay, very good. So I would like you to take these lessons home and really work on them, because 2 days can't change a person. It is only, we give you a trigger. And if you don't work on it, then of course nothing will happen. Yeah, Basu, you've been here for the second time.
Second time, yes.
How did you find this experience?
Very apt. Again, as you said, it's twisted and made specifically for At Home as a brand. And retail being a bunch of young people. In retail, if you find, it is always a team of very young people.
Okay.
So which demands a lot of energy levels in the entire team. And this program is ideal. This last activity we ended up with ideal. It pushes you to your limits.
Good. Okay, so now when you came first time, you planted a tree here. Okay, and we said this tree will grow as we grow with at home. So today we are going to now water this tree. We are going to water this tree so that we continue with our growth as this tree is growing. See.
Thomas will do the honors.
Yeah, yeah. So come please.
Chetan.
Yeah, please join. All of you come this side.
It's okay.
Okay.
Cheers to At Home. God bless At Home.
Yes.
As the tree grows, At Home grows.
And give lot of fruits to the society.